Hi, folks. Well, another week. Here we go. I'd like to start off by talking about your discussion boards. I'm very impressed. The caliber that you're using of discussion in those boards is very high quality. And one of the reasons I'm very impressed is because you're asking each other questions. You're not just, going back and forth and having a conversation. You're having, as you should, your initial responses. They're being very in depth. And when you look at the rubric, you're spot on, doing a great job. And so I appreciate all those conversations. And as when we're in groups, I mean, they're not large groups, but when you're in groups of five, a lot of different conversations can be going on and a lot of different topics at the same time. So very intriguing. Thank you for that. Let me see. I've already graded some of the assignments from last year, the interviews. And again, each one of you has selected somebody with high quality. Everything I've graded right now has passed not only in who you've interviewed, but the end results, the product itself. So there's been principals interviewed, assistant principals, literacy specialists, curriculum directors. Somebody even interviewed a superintendent. So great people that you're going to you gathered information with, and you might be working with in the future. And as you know, I have my little cheat sheet up here. What are some of the topics that you discussed? Blended learning was one. Proficiency-based education was another. Standards report cards was another one. Literacy projects that you were doing, curriculum-based projects that you were doing. Um, let's see what else. Oh, there was differentiation that you talked about, and so many was the different topics that you're getting involved in and wanting to learn more. It's very exciting for me, so I think it's exciting for you. So we'll get there one step at a time now. So you've really laid the foundation for the rest of the work for the course. So as we move along, I just want to note somebody else had strategic planning too, and I find that fascinating because UNE is going through strategic planning, and my school district, RSU 23, where I'm school board member, we're doing strategic planning too, and I'm very much involved in that. So that is more than wonderful that you're just starting a process of visioning where your district wants to go, which includes your school. So, week three, you have your reading, you have your viewing, you have a discussion board, and you have another assignment. And the assignment, what I would like you to consider is, what do I want to do for the rest of the course? So, that essential question could be, now that I've interviewed someone and we've talked about blended learning, I want to know more about blended learning. So I'm going to continue that focus for the rest of the course. Or it could be that we're working on standards-based report cards. So that's what I want to do for the rest of the course. And on the other hand, if you don't want to have one focus, what you can do is you can switch topics every assignment. That's entirely up to you if you want to really have a plethora of learning going on. So let's talk about the next assignment. Your next assignment is an annotated bibliography. So that means you look for articles that relate to a topic of your choice. And as you do that, my suggestion would be look at the RefWorks tool that's in the course, because that's going to be very advantageous for you. Find your articles. Annotated bibliography is after you read your article, then you basically write a summary of it. That's kind of putting it in a short form, let's say. That annotated bibliography is going to be very useful for you, or the articles that you choose are going to be very useful for you because you're going to use that later on in the course. So again, my example of sticking to one particular topic or project or curriculum area for the rest of the course. That's why I'm suggesting that. So let's see. We'll learn more as we go. I'm learning from you. I always learn from you. So that's my exciting part of it. It's like, even though I'm your instructor, I'm a learner just like you. So if you have any questions or concerns, if you want to know more in depth, of course, go to the module. But if you have any other questions or concerns, please email me at cmarcotte@une.edu, or you can call me or text me 207-284-3680. And that's it for now. Okay, I tried to make it brief this week. All right, have a great week. See you online. Bye.